Ever feel like Google's Performance Max campaign is spending your money without telling you how or why? You're not alone. In this video, we're breaking down exactly how to set up a PMax campaign the correct way, and we'll share the fixes that make these campaigns perform. So today we're showing you a smarter way to run PMax. You'll leave with a clear setup framework, budget and structure rules that improve performance, real tips that help you scale faster. So what is Performance Max? Performance Max, often called PMax, is Google's all-in-one campaign type. Instead of creating separate campaigns for search, shopping, YouTube, Gmail, or display, PMax runs across all of them from one place. You give it the creative assets, targeting signals, a budget, and your goal, and Google's algorithms takes care of the rest. It's designed to save time, simplify management, and help you reach potential customers wherever they are, searching, scrolling, or watching. That's why it's appealing. You get a full platform coverage with fewer campaigns to manage, and Google uses machine learning to optimize towards conversions. But here's the catch. Why PMax campaigns often struggle is because it sounds simple, but the way it works in the background is super complex. When it fails, it's usually one of these reasons. There's not enough conversion data in the account, the product feed is weak or incomplete, it's launched too early with not enough supporting search or shopping campaigns, or the campaign structure is too broad and unfocused. So here are some setup rules before you launch. Number 1, conversion tracking is set up and tested for at least 30 conversions in the last 30 days from search or shopping. So number 2, a clean product feed. So these are titles, descriptions, pricing, GTIN, and availability. And your daily budget equals your target CPA, so cost per acquisition. If a purchase costs $20, start with a $20 a day minimum. And lastly, brand exclusions and negatives in place. Avoid wasting spend on your own branded searches. When launching the campaign, choose sales or leads as your objective. Then use maximize conversion value and leave the ROAS target blank for now. Let Google learn before setting the guardrails. A few other things that you should think of is the location and schedule settings. Target only where you can serve or ship. If you don't operate 24/7, set the business hours accordingly. Also consider URL expansion. Leave it on to let Google test different landing pages, but exclude pages like blog posts or customer service pages that won't convert. Another thing to consider is asset groups, product or theme based. Don't group by audience, group by product type or keyword theme. An example for an outdoor brand would be like Group 1, backpacking tents, Group 2, campfire accessories. Each asset group should include up to 20 images, so this is landscape, square, portrait, 5 to 10 short headlines with 30 characters max, 5 long headlines with 90 characters max, 4 descriptions, 1 short video, or let Google auto-generate one. Audience signals is also very important. Each group should be guided by at least 3 types of data. The first one is search themes, what people are actively looking for. The second one is warm audience data, past visitors, buyers, and email lists. And the last one is in-market interest segments, like outdoor gear or home fitness. These signals act as starting points. They guide Google in the right direction, but don't limit its reach. The next one is budget control and search term cleanup. So now once your campaign is running, your goal is to control it without micromanaging. Now that Google shows search terms and allows negatives inside PMax, use that. Check your search terms weekly and remove anything irrelevant or wasteful. Monitor placements to exclude junk inventory, especially mobile apps. Here's your optimization timeline. So what you're gonna do over the first 30 days is week 1 to 2 is let it learn. Avoid a lot of major changes. Week 3 is review top performing asset groups and check if branded search is eating up your budget, and adjust exclusions if needed. And then week 4 and beyond is split out high performing groups into their own campaigns. Gradually raise the budget 10 to 20% at a time if ROAS holds steady. Now consider testing new customer only goal for incremental reach. So Performance Max isn't just a shortcut, but with the right setup, it can drive real growth. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and follow along with our Smarter Google Ads 2025 series. See you in the next one.